Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I'm going to do something small but mighty. This is I'm probably going to mispronounce it, but Suttkue tempered glass screen protector for the Osmo Action 4. Let's get this thing on and I'll show you step by step what we do. First, of course, we need an action camera. Specifically, the DJI Action 4. Open this puppy up, and what we have some guide stickers, some dust absorbers, one set of wipes. So this would be a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And we have 2 of each type of screen protector. And what I mean by that is we have 2 for this screen, 2 for the optics, I guess you would call it, and 2 for the back. I have 2 chances to screw this up. So the first thing you need to do, per the instructions, is you need to, it was stuck together. I do get 2 of the wipes. So I can really screw it up good. First thing you have to do is with a dust absorber is you take the dust absorber off. By the way, wash your hands first. I did that right before we went taping. So that is a very much a necessity to make sure your fingers and your hands are very much clean. No oil, because you don't want to transfer the oil onto this and then put the screen on it. The screen's not going to stick. But with the dust absorber, it's really just non-obtrusive sticker that doesn't leave any residue. So you just want to go around and make sure that you get all the dust off. Then you take the wet wipe, pull that apart, and it is harder than it looks. And you got an itty bitty piece of wet wipe. But these are itty bitty screens, so that works. So make sure you wipe down all of the screens. There we go. And you might see a little bit of sudsiness. That's okay. That means it's working. Then you take the dry wipe and you make sure that you dry that off, what you just put on there, because it does need a dry surface for the screen protectors to adhere to. Now this is dry, but it is a soft cloth. And of course, without saying, I guess, make sure you don't touch the screen. There we go. Then you take one of your protectors. This one is a nice square one, which goes on the front like so. And the way you do that, from the corners like this, you just go ahead and you remove the mask film attached to this tab. So, and in that part that you just remove the mask from, you go on there very carefully. Make sure that it is on there correctly in the right way. And once you have it on there, you're going to see some magic, because it will automatically start to adhere. Where's that dry wipe? There it is. And then with the dry wipe, you just, and there it is. It's on there. But if you have it on there correctly, you'll see a dark spot and a brighter spot. And that would just start to smooth in, and it'll start to get all dark. And once it's completely dark, then you know it's adhered to. Okay, so that's the square one. We'll put the other square one in here. And then this is a round one. So obviously the round one goes on the lens cover. Same thing. Make sure that you hold on the corners, and again, your fingers are nice and clean. Put that over the lens cover. Try to put that in place. It's very hard to even up. That's like the hardest part, I think. Yep, that's on there. Perfect. Okay. And then the last one. Again, hold from the corners. Peel the sticker off. Line it up. And you should see going from dark to light. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera or not. There we go. And then you take, again, your dry cloth, go over that, and there you have it. Now, let's test this thing out to see if it works. Okay, let's see how, oh, not too bad. I can tell it's a little bit, you have to press a little bit harder to do some things, but it still works quite well. Gives a little bit of peace of mind. All right, let's see the front. Okay, screen is locked. Yeah, that works fine. Again, you can tell a little bit of a slight difference, but then again, my hands might be a little oily right now. I should have washed my hands before I did this test. As you can see by the picture quality, it doesn't seem as though having the optics covered changed anything dramatic. So I'm happy with that. Overall, I think it's a good purchase. What do you think? Well, that about does it for the screen protector. I hope that helped. And as always, have a great day.